These fluff balls are baby ostriches. Just a few days old. When they're fully grown, they'll get most of the water they need from their food. But as newborns, their bodies aren't as good at keeping cool, so they need to drink. They won't last much more than another day without water. But here in the Kalahari, there's not so much as a damp patch in sight. Following their parents out across this wasteland seems like suicide. Especially when the temperature tips over 40 degrees Celsius. Yet in the middle of the desolation is an astonishing number of animals. All attracted to a spring of life-giving fresh water. The chicks can see just what they need, but being hoof height makes negotiating this forest of legs seem impossible. They're agonizingly close, but can't risk being trampled. Their salvation has come in a surprising form. It's a stroke of luck for the chicks, and a safe path is clear. Their first ever drink of water.